Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Boxy Charm unboxing. We're going to be doing July's unboxing and I haven't looked inside yet, so I'm super excited to finally open the box. I've had it for a few days already, but I haven't had like the time to film, so now I finally have the time to film. So I'm super excited and I want to like jump right into it already. I haven't seen anything, like I said, so it's gonna be a surprise for you and me. I'm really hoping I get some of the items that were in the sneak peeks, so let's see if I get any of those, but let's go ahead and get right in. So here we have the box for July. I'm super excited to finally open this up and see the items that I received. I already cut the sticker that's here, but I haven't opened it, so let's go ahead and open it up together. Ooh, I'm so excited. I've just seen like a few items already, so I'm super excited. But this is how the box looks. Uh-oh, something fell. That's great. The theme for this month's Boxy Charm is sunshine, which is super cute. And it has little cutouts of limes and lemons. And it looks super cute, so I'm really excited to see all of the stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first item that is catching my attention right now are these two products. This is the Sol Janeiro Brazilian shampoo and conditioner. I've heard tons and tons of amazing things about this brand and their products, so I'm really excited to try this out finally. And I've heard that they smell like super good, so I'm excited to smell this as well. Let me see which one I can smell here. Okay. Oh wow. The smell just makes me think about vacation, when you're like going on vacation to a beachy tropical area. Oh my gosh, it just takes me right to the beach. Wow, that smells so good. So I guess this is Brazil nut and buriti fruit oil, and it says it's strengthening and soothing, both the shampoo and conditioner. And this retails for $24. Right there, you're basically getting your money's worth because the box is $25. This is the base box, so you're just getting your money's worth right here. The next product that I see is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Ooh, I am so excited for this. So it says fresh coconut extract, softening, dewy finish. So I'm really excited. It says it has a coconut scent to it, and I love setting sprays. I love to spray my face once I'm done with my makeup. I actually drenched my face in setting spray. I just love the feeling, and I feel that any setting spray just melts the makeup into your skin. So this is what it looks like, and it's in such a pretty bottle, like super sleek. And this retails for $22. Wow. So I'm super excited to try this out. I've never tried Ciate London and I haven't heard much about them, so I'm really excited to try this out. So the next product is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. So it says to mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied in the morning and evening. This is pretty cool. Oh wow, the bottle is so pretty, so sleek. I really like this bottle. I'm excited to try this out. Unfortunately, I can't wear this today or show how to use it or anything. Right off the bat, it looks like it has a really thick consistency. It's not too liquidy, it's more thick. And this retails for $49.95. That is absolutely insane. That's basically buying 2 base boxes. So that is honestly really exciting. So I'm really excited to use this. So the next item that I see here is the Douche. Not sure how to pronounce the company's name, so really sorry if I totally butchered that. But it's their Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. So I actually needed a liquid eyeliner, so I'm really happy that I got this in this month's box. It looks like it has a pretty fine tip, so that's exciting. And this retails for $21. So that is honestly pretty amazing. So I'm excited to try this out. Last but not least, we have here, ooh, the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise palette. Ooh, this is really nice. So it brings a few different blushes here. It looks really, really, really pretty. This retails for $30. So we have about 2 items that cost more than the box. So this is pretty crazy that this costs $30. I am super, super excited to try this out, and we'll see how this is. Okay, I'm back, and I obviously have a little bit more color to my face, and I did my eyebrows. I put a little bit of eyeshadow on, just like a normal, quick, everyday eyeshadow that anyone can do, and I did some bronzer. So now we're gonna get into the exciting part, which is trying on the makeup. So I think the first one that I want to do is the Ace Beauty Blushed in Paradise. I think I'm gonna do this peachy color here. It's the second to left color. They don't have any names, so I'm not sure what it's called. But let's go ahead and dip my brush into it. When I was swatching the colors, it was very, very soft and creamy. That is honestly super pigmented, and I wasn't expecting that at all. I'm trying to blend this out as much as I can. I feel like I put a little bit too much blush. I really like the blush palette. The color that I used was really, really pretty and very pigmented. As you can see, I feel like personally I put a little bit too much blush, but I put it on my nose just to kind of like blend it out a little bit. And honestly, the packaging for this blush palette is so pretty. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but it kind of like has like a rainbowy color effect around the rims. And then also it has like these flowers all around it, so it's super cute and pretty, and I really like this, so I'm really happy that I got this in my box. Okay, well, I think today's the day where I over apply everything. I decided to put on some highlight on, I'm not sure if you can tell, but on my nose, I'm sure you can tell. I'm not sure what's wrong with me today and why I over apply these products. Anyways, so the next product that I want to try out is the Douche, not sure how you pronounce this, but it is the liquid eyeliner. So I haven't worn liquid eyeliner in so long. I am very, very bad at eyeliner, I think, because I honestly just haven't had any practice with it. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's see how I do. Hopefully I don't mess up. So I honestly did the thinnest line of eyeliner on the face of this earth, but it's because I'm so bad at eyeliner that I was afraid to do any type of winged eyeliner or go any thicker. And I didn't want to go any thicker because I don't have that much eyelid space to my crease. So if I did a thick eyeliner, it just wouldn't look too good, in my opinion. But this eyeliner is really nice for fine lines. So it doesn't lie when it says Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen, because the tip is very, very thin and it's very pigmented. So I'm really happy that this was able to create a thin line, especially for me, since I don't have that much space from my eyelid to my crease. Last but not least to try is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. I'm very, very excited for this because I love setting sprays. I love drenching my face in setting spray. So let's go ahead and try this out. Does anyone else kind of like hold their hair back a little bit, like the front pieces at least, just so that the product doesn't get onto that? Because I feel like anytime that the product does get into my hair here, it makes it a little bit greasier. So I always just kind of like put it a little back and cover it up. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so I just finished drenching my face. I just finished drenching my face in the setting spray. And at first it came out, like the spray came out kind of blotchy. I'm not sure how to say that, but it wasn't like a fine, even mist. But once I started like pressing it a little bit more, the mist came out more and more fine. It's not so fine, but it's not so thick or heavy at the same time. So it's kind of like in between. And it smells like coconut, so it smells really nice. And I did like the way it set my face. I'm not sure if it's going to make my face makeup last any longer. We'll see. But so far I really like it. Alrighty, so I am done with my makeup. I put on some mascara and lipstick and I am ready to go now. I really enjoyed the products that were in this month's box. It kind of sucks that I can't show you the serum and also the shampoo and conditioner, but I was able to show you guys the setting spray, the eyeliner, and the blush palette. So I think that makes up for it. Oh my gosh, I forgot to add up all of the stuff. Let me add up everything and see how much it add up to. It's supposed to be, the box is supposed to equal up to $120. So let me go ahead and add up all this stuff. So I just finished adding up the products and it comes out to $146.95. That is absolutely crazy. It's more than last month's box, that's for sure, at least for me. And you definitely get your money's worth. Like, you only pay $25 and you get 120 plus of products, money-wise. So I think that it's definitely worth it. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I know that I enjoyed making it, and I really enjoyed the items that were in this month's box. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what videos you would like for me to do. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!